Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimekoba, that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day. Today we are up with another tutorial, a Gele tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to tie one side fan, but the model I'll be using, I'll be teaching you how to tie Gele to make it to be able to tie it. If you want to use it some other time, she has to put her hands inside for it to be a little bit loose, because she wouldn't be tying it today, she wouldn't be wearing it today, she'll be wearing it later. So I'll be teaching you that now. So you can see I just put my plates, and the ratio for the Gele will be 60-40. So I'll have to cross the longer side over to the other side. The longer part will be under, while the shorter side will be above and at the back, and I would cross it over to the front while she helps me to hold it. So now guys, I'll be putting my plates, I'll be bending my plates in gradually. I have to make sure that the plates are well arranged before putting it on top the already existing plates I've made before. So you can see how I'm doing it, guys. This tutorial is very easy. Just watch and you'll see how easy it is. So now I'll be putting more plates. Now the fan has started. I always make sure it's very well arranged. And I put more of my fan. So after putting all the fan, I would have to look for a way to twist it and take it to the back, so I'll be able to tie it. I'll just go back and use my pin to secure that point so that the fan would stand very well. So I'll secure it with a pin very, very well to make sure it doesn't fall. Guys, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment, and leave a comment. I'm still securing with pin. Staying out. Later go over to cover the back of the gele. Well, this is it. This is basically what it looks like and how to tie it. Wow. You can see how beautiful this gele looks. So you can try it out yourself. You can try it. If you have any challenge, you can send me, you can keep it on the comment section below and I'll give an answer to that. Yes, that is it, guys. That's the gele. And you can also bend the fan a little bit. It will give it more, it will add more let's say spice to the gele, to the fan. If you pin it like this, it would add more beauty and glam to it. Or you can leave it the other way. Any way you choose to rock your fan, you can just either you leave it like that or you bend it down to make it look more beautiful.